friends. Like me who comes from far, they bring me from the hello plane.
Now listen. Hello? Hello. I hope that everyone is inside. Let me hope everyone is inside. Together. We are here to learn, to compare. Some of you don't know the advantage. Boarding schools are far better than day schools. Let's clap our hand and welcome Honorable Travis, who is coming from the proposer side and supporting the motion.
Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, Timekeeper, Court Judge, and the Chief Judge. That's the two conflicts.
Please, Honorable, put the microphone on one position so that we can hear.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, honorable friends.
As the motion is well written, saying that boarding schools are far better than day schools. For me, I support it because of my following views. In boarding schools, there is enough time to revise. Let me tell you. In boarding schools, nobody is disturbing you that, come and wash your hands, come and do this. But at home, you be there, your mother calls you. You, when you have a young child at home, you come. This child is disturbing me. Come and you carry. And you say, Mommy, I'm revising tomorrow. Let me assume I am P.6. So Uncle tomorrow is going to give us a test. I am revising. So Uncle tomorrow is going to give us a test. He said that the other last time is going to beat us for, is going to join the other. Please, Mommy and Mom, don't tell me, come and you carry.
Yes, what's happening?
Boarding schools, learners focus regularly. You can
Excuse me, sir, there's something behind there.
The microphone.
I would like to inform you that when you are in boarding schools, you don't learn how to do work. Now, you don't want to. Now, when married, have a wife. Now, you are in boarding, your mother did not.
Let me tell you that even when we are in holiday, we can learn how to wash utensils, mop the house, and sweep the compound. Boarding schools, learners behave well. You see, in boarding school.
Point of information granted.
I would like to inform you that when we are in the schools, our parents guide us on what to do. They tell you how to greet. Let me tell you that your parents can guide you, but even you, when you go there, you have to start praying. Somebody can tell you, you can't pray. I don't want to understand. But in boarding schools, they don't do that. The matron can meet you and say, don't do that. Matron.
Now exchanging words, you raise up the hand. You will fight if you exchange the words. Himself would have request for a defense.
Some of the children, they live in they rent houses. You see, when you are here, another house is here. How can you practice it? That one I don't know what he's saying. Because not that all of them, they have big gardens.
Court judge, chief judge, timekeeper, the two competing teams as the audience at large. Good evening. As the motion is wrongly written on the blackboard saying of my following views. In their schools, they encourage body exercise. How? Whenever some of us coming to school, we walk and the body gets enough energy, not for boarding schools. Some of boarding schools, they just one step from boarding to class. In their schools, it promotes research. How? I come here to school and they teach me about shopping, and I go back home and mommy takes me to the market and I know the price of everything in the market. Wow. Learners enjoy transport means. How? Whenever you are coming to school, some of us, we come from cars.
Point of information granted.
Excuse me, Honorable Latif. I would like to inform you that you have said that you learn shopping and you go back home, you practice shopping. Now, I would like to inform you that even in boarding, children can do a shopping list and they shop. That means even them, they know the prices of the goods.
Point of defense, I think they are giving you the microphone here.
I would like to inform you that when you are in boarding schools, you don't practice well how the one who's in the schools practice.
Yes.
In the schools, learners enjoy transport means. How? Whenever some of us, we are coming, we come in cars. Enjoy the drive.
Point of information granted.
Can you tell me how many children come from cars? Yes, tell me. Tell me.
Like me.
Order, please. Hello?
I would like to tell you that in the schools, like me who comes from far, they bring me from the hello plane.
To continue, you are using his time.
In the schools, they allow children to be more exposed to cultural and religious practice, to which might be limited in boarding. Those are my views. Thank you.
From the proposers. Hello?
The timekeeper plus the two elephants fighting for the grass. Good evening. Good evening. As the motion is well written on the blackboard, saying that boarding schools are better than day schools. For me, I support it because of my following views. Learners get extra care. Like when you are at home, some parents they work from far, they come back on Sunday. How will they care for you? But when you are in boarding schools, the teachers are around.
Information somewhere, Honorable.
I would like to inform you that if our
Would you like to defend yourself?
Yes. Those maids, they don't care for you very well like your parents do. My second view is it reduces chances of accidents on the way. Like when you are in boarding schools, a few steps you are in class. But when you are in the schools, you walk. Even some pupils, they cross the road, they knock them. My last view is learners get enough time to read. Are watching television, the children are crying outside, the neighbors are putting on loud things. How can you revise? There is nothing around to make noise for you. That's why I support the motion. Those were my
Okay, thank you too. That was Honorable Pretty from the Honorable who is opposing this motion.
Thank you, Chairperson, Secretary, Co-Judge, Chief Judge, Timekeeper, the two competing teams at the House at large. Good evening. Good evening, Honorable. My first view is televisions, but in boarding, where are you going to move the television?
Let me tell you that even here, the director provided us with the television, the radio's there.
I would like to inform you that not all schools that have televisions, not all boarding schools that have televisions and radio.
I'm not defending anyone. Is the one speaking? Let's continue.
The motion is well written on the blackboard, stating that boarding schools are far better than day schools. For me, I support it because of my following views. My first view is boarding schools promote hygiene of learners, like matrons advise children to bathe in time and regularly, which is not in some homes. Some homes, parents be on phones, chatting, WhatsApp, and they don't take care of their children whether they have bathed or not.
Point of correction, that is informational.
I would like to correct the current speaker that the word is children, not children.
Point of defense. Excuse me, Honorable. Mistakes are common. My second view is boarding schools reduce conflicts. Like when a child make a crime, parents can start quarreling, fighting. Finally, they fight, which is not in boarding. Children be in a dorm and they come revise, do preps, which is not in some homes. My third view is boarding schools provide jobs to people, like matrons and askaris. They have jobs because they are paid. Those were my views.
Welcome, Honorable Alinda.
First view, in the schools,
Support it because of my following view.
Keeper and the two competing teams, plus the house at large. Good evening. Good evening, Honorable. As the motion is wrongly written on the blackboard, saying that boarding schools are far better than day schools, I support it because of my following views. My first view. Learners see so many things on the way. Children, they come in the cars, they see flats, they see big houses. That you are in Uganda, you are in Toro and others. I would like to inform the current speaker that in the schools there You remember in a school there is less distribution. In boarding, everywhere you find noise in the compound, in your bed. But when you are in this you go to your room and you put the lights and you start revising when no one is because of my following views. In the schools, we eat a balanced diet. When you are in the schools, today you go and you eat banana mixed up with ground nuts. Tomorrow you eat chigodon with
Granted. The point that was raised, it was points of information. And the information is carried a question mark, which should be inquiry instead, so don't grant it.
in the schools create emotional and mental well-being is to say that being home can reduce homelessness. When you are in the schools, it can cause you to miss your parents. For God and Michael.
This step-by-step junior school, we finally come to the end of our debate. The primary 4 pupils have managed to score 146 points. Primary 6 have scored 139 points. I here declare the winner as primary 4. Subscribe, like, and comment.
Yes, our school is very good.
It's very good.
They provide transport.
Uh-huh.
They provide